Thiko igere kuma munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua heta kuhithuria maritwa ma maminista na andiki a thirikari ya President wa kana Uhuru Kenyatta aria amerikanite kugumia mabirioni ma mbeca cia muingi. Ambunge na maseneta ngwataniro-ini ya Azimio ni magire kiene mukana uyu makiuga undu uyu twikite kigwatio gia thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ya kuremererwo kuhingia ciraniro iria merire muingi imwe ciacio ari kuhuthia garama ya muturire.
Nitatoa orodha ya ile mali ya Wakenya iliibiwa na mawaziri na makatibu wa ile serikali ambayo iliondoka, ndio Wakenya wajue.
If you have the names, call a press conference like this and tell Sifuna took 10 million. We have sent the details to the DCI and to the EACC, the accountability agencies. Let them do the investigations.
Matogoretio ni mwandiki munene wa ODM Senator Edwin Sifuna maugite thiri wa bururi wa ritirioni kenda muthini wa mwaka muthiru no waya gukorwo werekeire gukinyiria gikiro kia muthia kia ngombo kiria kirugamire tirioni watho.
We will take our people to Professor Ndumu's office so that he can explain to Kenyans what the plan is in terms of economic recovery.
Ngwataniro ino yugite wabici ya munini wa President ni imwe ya iria irahuthira mbeca cia muingi na uitangi.
You will realize that they have spent more resources using Article 223 than even what was spent previously. And more importantly, that the resources they have spent have been spent on useless things like, prayers, interdenominational prayers, setting up offices, useless offices. The deputy, the Mr. Gachagua has spent more resources than any other officer.
Ambunge aya no mathiete na mbere kuuga President William Ruto ni agathikite budget ya nyongerera thingiraini wa iregi kuma birioni nginyagia birioni kenda. Ede thirikari yake ithiite na mbere gutetia thirikari ya President Kenyatta ati gutire mbeca.
They don't have any plan. Every time they come, they tell us about the previous regime. The Kenya Kwanza administration, if it is an administration, must now start accounting for its time. For the time that you've been in office up to today.
Many of the schools, they only have a single teacher who is unable to even assemble the lessons. The questions are, did we take over power without a plan?
Kuona ihinda ria thikũ 14 ria Raila Odinga hianire kuinikira utuko wa umuthi mwerekera wa muthia uri na Raila kuona ugitiri thingiraini wa iregi guku Nairobi na thingiraini ingi cia kaunti ni wajirie kugacirithio thiini wa kiria kironeka tari gwithagathaga kung'ethanira na rurungani. Giribotera Kameme TV reto rekwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.